What's up, guys? It's GD Don't Fucking Die Warrior. Everything good, everything good. I wanted to show you guys something what I'm gonna do. My heads are getting ported stage 2 with a valve competition job and all that. And right now, so far, I've been dynoed at 110 horsepower to the rear wheel with my basically stage 4 kit without the heads. So the shop promised me probably around or up to 10 horsepower, so I would be reaching, hopefully, I pray to God, like 120 horses, and probably a little bit more torque, but the head porting most likely gives you more on the top end. And I bought those red springs right here from Barnett. Those are the stiffest springs you can get. Right, when you have the spring conversion board from Barnett, the kit comes with golden springs, which are the softest. Then you got the green springs, which I have in right now, and now I have these red ones here. Those are the stiffest ones, just to prevent slipping. I will also do the 3 friction plate mod. You basically replace the half friction plates with the full ones, and that will give you also better clutch grab, and hopefully my clutch will not slip. So I'm being a little proactive here, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Here, the red ones. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post a link in the info section for the friction plate mod, and also post a link with the part number for the red springs, just in case you guys want to buy those. Alright, I can't wait to put this baby back together. She's sitting the old surgery style. Here, all the parts. God, hurts a little, but hey, she's only gonna get faster. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Red springs for the win. Don't fucking die.